Bert's Bikes and Fitness started in 1972 in Old Man Bert's garage in Orchard Park. Since then, they have grown to be synonymous with cycling in Buffalo. They have since then expanded into the Rochester and Syracuse markets. So we're relatively new to the area, but we have a history of supporting a large customer base across Western New York, and we're looking to expand that across to Central New York and potentially even further than that. Really, I think the primary challenges that we have in this store before we had our lighting changed was visibility. National Grid ended up being a huge partner there, and they were able to help us get brand new LED fixtures that pumped up the brightness in this building. These bikes look more beautiful than ever with the light that we got in here, and I say that with the knowledge of what this store looked like before we got all these in. I think one of the biggest intangible benefits that we are going to see here is the fact that we don't really have to maintain the system. LED lights are built to be energy efficient, they were built to be long lasting, so it's not really a lighting system that I'm going to have to deal with any maintenance on. Working with National Grid was a breeze. It was really a lot of communication back and forth to kind of figure out the best project scope and timeline to get this project done. It was really a seamless experience, and I want to say they were done in like 3 days. Everything that we do here at Bert's is in pursuit of helping our customer continue on their journey, whatever that journey may be. And National Grid has been a huge part of helping Bert in his journey to open a market in Syracuse.